Hey YouTube, today I want to show you there's one new app that appears on my Apple Watch Series 10, and let's get started. So this app is actually the Tesla app. So this app allows you to show me my Model Y info and the battery percentage and also the mileage that I can use with my Model Y. One of the cool things for this app is you can set up your Apple Watch as a watch key. How convenient is that? Thank you, Elon Musk. This is pretty awesome. Later on, I can set it up my Apple Watch as a car key. I don't need my iPhone. I don't need any NFC card. I don't need smart car keys. If you lost your smart key, then it's actually more expensive than the Apple Watch. Now, you can just go out to take some workout, go to gym with your Apple Watch with all of the information. You don't need your iPhone. There is an extra reason for you to get a cellular version of Apple Watch. How awesome is that? Thanks for watching. This is just a quick update of the Tesla app on Apple Watch. See you later. Thanks for watching.